I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. Oh, no, no. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. All right. Big Daniel bringing you another episode of Import Life Media. And oh, do we have a doozy. Yo! Check this out. Something interesting happened this past weekend out here in Southern California. Now this story gets a little crazy because it deals with takeovers, police, arrests, homes getting raided, stolen vehicles. It's a lot, okay? So I'm gonna read this off by way of CBS News Los Angeles. More than 50 people were arrested at an Inland Empire car show over the weekend for their alleged connection to an assault on a San Bernardino County deputy in May. That's something to look out for because something happened in the past last month. And you know, cops are not just gonna let it slide. Oh no. It wasn't like a bunch of police raided this event and things happened. No, this stems from something that allegedly happened in the past. It goes on to say, the arrest happened on Saturday afternoon when dozens of people had gathered at an abandoned property in Adelanto, according to a statement from the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department. Deputies say that Saturday's arrests stemmed from an incident that happened in Highland in May, when a mob of people at a street takeover were caught on camera as they kicked, punched, and tried to rip a deputy out of his patrol car. That's wild. That's wild. You know, not laughing at the situation, but what do you think is gonna happen when something like that happens? They're not gonna let any of the wrong get touched. We already know that. As the deputy attempted to disperse the crowd, spectators surrounded the marked Sheriff's Patrol vehicle and proceeded to vandalize the patrol vehicle, said statement from San Bernardino Sheriff's Department. The spectators damaged the windshield and body panels of the patrol vehicle. That's crazy. So it wasn't even like it was an undercover car or they didn't know. It was the patrol vehicle, the black and white, the lights, all of that. So it couldn't be misconstrued for another vehicle. They knew exactly what it was. They knew exactly what they were doing and who they were going after. Okay. Investigators identified the participants of the street takeover in Highland and discovered they were related to car clubs in the high desert area. Oh yeah, they got surveillance. They're just gonna track you down. Investigators say that the high desert car clubs have shown similar behavior as street takeovers, with various members of the clubs posting videos of driving stunts, sometimes in stolen cars, and openly displaying guns. Tell you, man, you guys all want to do it for clout, post it on social media, likes, follows, whatever it may be, but they're also watching, especially if you're out there doing some dumb shit. As a result of the investigation, several search warrants were served in the city of Victorville. Deputies said the search warrants yielded stolen firearms and a stolen Dodge Hellcat. On Saturday, as part of the Operation Consequences crime suppression movement. Sounds like they got a team. They've had enough, they got a team together and it has a name. Operation Consequences crime suppression movement. Personnel from Victorville, Victor Valley, Apple Valley, and Hesperia stations, as well as sheriff's gang and narcotics division units, conducted a suppression operation at the property in Adelanto, where they found members of the car clubs performing sideshows, maneuvers. The statement said, so yeah, no, they're tracking you. They know the car clubs, they know the areas, they got everything on it. Deputies arrested, so check this out. Deputies arrested 56 people overall, 19 of which were juveniles. All 37 adults arrested were taken to the High Desert Detention Center where they were cited and released. The juveniles were also cited before being released to their families, deputies said. 23 cars were towed and a stolen Chevy Camaro was recovered. This type of recklessness won't be tolerated in San Bernardino County, said Sheriff Shannon Dykes. Arrests will be assured and cars will be impounded if these street takeovers continue. They're taking cars, recovering stolen cars, guns, raiding homes, following your social medias, getting everything, and they're just building a case and just finding out where the next spot's gonna be at, and poof. How did they find out? They were following you guys because you guys all posted it. But play stupid games, you already know the end part. Win stupid prizes. Can't really be mad at the police because I'm not gonna say if you're breaking the law, you deserve it. Because everybody likes to have some fun, even if it's harmless, it is what it is. But when you start assaulting deputies just trying to get you guys to leave, do you think that's gonna just blow over? They're just gonna forget about it? You're tripping. You're tripping. Yeah, no, they're gonna find the cameras of all the street corners, all the stores, stoplights, and they're gonna get everything. It is what it is. But that's wild. We'll see where it goes from here. But takeovers, a lot of people in the car community don't like it. They're not about it. It's like it's a whole separate thing. There's like people that attend takeovers and people that actually go to events, shows, have sanctioned events that are actually part of building the growth, the foundation of car culture and car community, respecting everything that is built in it. Not just let's go steal something and just act reckless and be stupid, but to each their own. It is what it is. You won't catch me at no takeover, cheering them on or even liking it. You know what I mean? But with that being said, check out my next video on why I think takeovers are good. I said it. Why I think takeovers are good. Check out my video, and I'm pretty sure after you're watching it, or even while you're watching it, you're gonna start to agree with me. Thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and keeps you guys informed on my posts and what I have going on. If you have Instagram, follow me at Import Life Media. See what I got going on. And if it's your first time catching me, I appreciate you. Go back to past videos, catch up, see what you missed out on, all right? Bring you guys all new content and anything crazy going on. We'll see what happens. Tune in next time.